What's up, everybody? I'm in beautiful Tampa Bay, Florida, home of Tom Brady, home of the Lightning, home of the Rays. This area is fantastic. Behind me, I have a new listing, 4-bed, 2-bath, oh yeah, and a Florida pool. Let's go check it out. Welcome to 8209 Drycreek Drive in beautiful Tampa, Florida. This is your chance to live in one of Tampa's most sought-after neighborhoods. This beautiful 4-bed, 2-bath home has a spacious open floor plan with plenty of natural light, perfect for entertaining. The stone wood-burning fireplace is the most amazing focal point, especially on one of those chilly winter nights. And the pool with solar panels is a great place to relax in the summer. The central location is ideal for commuters and close to all shopping and dining options at International Plaza as well as downtown Tampa Bay. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. So that's it, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. This house is so adorable. You're gonna wanna see it immediately. So contact me, Mark Romick, or the Real Estate Ninja with the Home Squad at eXp Realty, and I will set up a showing immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. This is awesome.